So welcome to part two. So this part two, we are going to solve like three questions. Like I took my time to like check for every possible way they are going to set questions on logarithmic equation and put it together in this video. So let's start from the first one. We have number one. Let's write it. We have number one, log a 128 is equals to x. If you can remember from part 1, I explained something like this. And when we have a single log entity equals to a number or an alphabet, in this case we have the same thing. Sorry, this is base 2. We have quite similar with what I explained. So exactly what I explained there is what we are going to do here. We are going to have 2x is equals to 128, getting rid of the log. Our log has gone. So remember, in this can be written as, this 128 can be written as 2 to the power of 7. That's like 2 times 2 times, like 2 in 7 places. So that is just it. So 2 can do justice to 2. Our x is equals to 7. So let's move to number 2. So number 2 seems like kind of like a word problem kind of question. They say given that base log base 10 number y is equals to 2 and log base 10 number 2x is equals to 1, solve for this. So let us understand what they told us. They say given that log base 10 number y is equals to 2. Remember what we explained here. We can simply say 10 raised to the power of 2 is equals to y. 10 raised to the power of 2 is 100. So our y is equals to 100. Let me write like y is equals to 100. Then our second, I said, and log 10 number 2x is equals to 1. So we can say 10 is equals to 1 equals to 2x. So we have 10 is equals to 2x, because 10 to the power of 1 is 10. So x is equals to 10 divided by 2. So our x is equals to 5. They say we should solve this. So they say we should solve this. Let me write what they told us to solve. Log base 10 with y all over 3x. So we can simply add or substitute our values for y and x into this. We will have log 10 with, what is our y? Our y is 100 all over, what is our x? Our x is 5. So 3 times our x is 5. 3 times 5. So this log 10, root of 100 should be 10 if I'm not wrong. 3 times 5 is 15. Log of a base, log of the same base, like remember from the fifth law of logarithm, log of the same base. So log of the same base is 1 all over 15. So that is our answer. So let's do for question 3. We have solve for x. They say we should solve for x. So question, so they say we should solve for x. So we have, they said the question is log 10 bracket 2x plus 1 minus log 10 bracket 3x minus 2 is equals to 1. So what do we do first? We can remember from the law of logarithm, we have similar base but different number linked together by a minus sign. So we divide their number. So we simply have log base 10 bracket 2x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2 is equals to 1. What else can we do? I need to get rid of this log base 10. So why don't I make this look like log base 10 so they can just cancel out each other. From log of the same base, we see log of a number to the same base is 1. So I'm not breaking any mathematical law when I say 2x plus 1 with 3x minus 2 is equals to log 10 raised to power 10. Okay, like, do you agree with me? Because log 10 raised to power 10, log base 10 to 10 is equals to 1 according to the fifth law of logarithm. So I didn't break any law, so have successfully gotten rid of is that our log. We have 2x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2 is equals to 10. What can we do? We can cross multiply. We have 2x plus 1 is equals to 10 bracket 3x minus 2. So we just open the bracket like they taught us in primary school. We have 10 times 3, that is 30x minus 10 times minus 2, that is 20. We collect like terms. So 2x, these are 30x comes over to its friend, which is 2x. We have 30x is equals to minus 20. This our one goes over to 20. You know, like we're collecting like them. So the one that looks like his brother will move to his brother. Like you get, we have 28x. Oh my god, that is wrong. This is minus 28x. Sorry for that mistake. This is minus 21. Our minus can get rid of our minus. We are making x sorry a formula, so we divide both sides by 28. What x is equals to 21 over 28. What is common? 3 can go here, but it will give us 9.33 here, but it will give us 7 here. So another thing that is common here is 7. So x is equals to 3 all over 4. And that is our answer. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. There will be a video of part 3 up next. Thank you.